Jerusalem, not much to say. Baal Sulam says that it's the place of destruction. That it truly is. And the place of the temple also. So, we have to reach a state where we will truly merit to achieve Jerusalem in our heart, for it to be complete awe. Yira Shlema, this what this word consists of, Yerushalayim, and that will build our temple there, that it won't be the first or the second kli, that all belong to the Rosh of the Partzuf, but also to receive in order to bestow, and to bestow in order to bestow, but for it to also be the third kli, that includes the bestowing in order to bestow, receiving in order to bestow, to all nations. As it says, my home shall be called a home of prayer, my house shall be called a house of prayer for all nations, that this will be the entire world to receive, created on the human level, and that everyone will receive the revelation of the Creator equal for all as a result of the connection, and then the difference between everyone will disappear. This world will disappear. As Baal Sulam writes, that this world disappears at the end of correction. The only thing left is a mutual desire where everyone's connected mutually, and light fulfills the desire completely. All are in complete attainment in one heart, without any difference, but to the contrary. With no differences but to the contrary, the separation that we have previously achieved will work in favor of increasing our unity by way of love covers for all crimes. And this is the kind of Jerusalem that we should have. In the meantime, we see how it's really in ruins. In the entire world, you have no more disputed city that is experiencing collisions and resistance more than Jerusalem. Let's hope that this will become the subject, will become revealed as the subject for correction. This is what we can say about it. And therefore, Yom Yerushalayim, the Day of Jerusalem, it truly necessitates us to correction, but it's not that we can celebrate Jerusalem itself and the day itself, but only the opportunity that we were given for redemption. And this is actually what we're celebrating, meaning the place of work and the revelation of the place that is future to come with its correction, and then the people of Israel and all nations and the land of Israel as a whole and the entire world will achieve adhesion with the Creator. And in this respect, Israel, they will realize their role of being light onto the nations, meaning that their role is to correct humanity as a whole, as the Rosh of the Partzuf regarding the Guf of the Partzuf. But really, the correction, it has to pass on to the rest of humanity, and the revelation of the Creator, the complete revelation of the Creator, has to come to the Guf of the Partzuf, meaning to the whole of humanity, and this is our role. This is what we can say. And there's much more about it, but these are the main things. And it also says that the land of Israel eventually will spread to the entire world, meaning that the concept of the will to receive that belongs to the Creator, it will cover the entire reality, and everyone will connect and will be the nation of the Creator. As it says, all shall know me, from small to great, and so on.
So Jerusalem is the unity of Israel, the unity of humanity.
Unity of humanity. Jerusalem is the unity of humanity. And once we'll learn about this, this city existed before our forefathers came to Israel. It existed, Jerusalem. It's not that it was built. What is its point? That it's so unique, that existed before the people of Israel came to Israel. What did you find?
כתוב בתלמוד ירושלמי מסכת חגיגה.
The Talmud Yerushalmi that Rabbi Yoshua ben Levi said, built Jerusalem is a city that is connected, that makes all of Israel friends. It's also written in the book, The Work of Israel, according to the awakening and work of Israel in love and awe, Jerusalem was built.
Yeah, nowadays the concept of Jerusalem doesn't exist. It's only a name and a place empty of any content.
It's also written in Talmud Bavli, in portion Deoma, when they engaged in Torah and mitzvot and good deeds, then why was it distracted? Because of unfounded hatred.
And he actually calls Jerusalem the place of destruction.
By the nations of the world, like America and other countries, the fact that they're moving their embassy to Jerusalem, does that bring us closer, or?
It's another kind of symbol, but it's not that it does any kind of correction. We're the ones that have to make the correction. This is the time for those that are on the degree of Yashar Kel, Israel, meaning all our groups around the world, for us to yearn together and connect to the Creator. We and the Creator, and then we'll become the Rosh of the Partzuf regarding the rest of the world. This is what's up to us to do now. And that there are different other things that are going on in the world, to us, doesn't matter. That it'll be a result of what we're doing, yes, but we needn't pay any attention to it. The most important thing, this is the most important thing, and that's actually all there is our connection. So,